Korean actors who got divorced in 2025. 1. Song Joong Ki and Song Hye Kyo. When Song Joong Ki and Song Hye Kyo, the beloved on-screen couple from Descendants of the Sun, announced their marriage, fans couldn't help but celebrate the romance that seemed straight out of a fairy tale. However, just 2 years later, that dream story took a shocking turn, with the two filing for divorce. The reasons behind their split remain a mystery, as both stars have kept the details private, requesting space and respect. Despite the heartbreak, both have continued to rise in their careers, each carving out their own path in the entertainment world, proving their resilience and enduring appeal. 2. Lee Dong-gun and Jo Yoo-hee. Lee Dong-gun and Jo Yoo-hee's romance blossomed after working together on a drama. They quickly tied the knot, and their daughter became the center of their world. Sadly, the couple divorced after 3 years, citing irreconcilable differences. Jo Yoo-hee has focused on raising their daughter, while Lee Dong-gun continues to act. 3. Gu Hye-sun and Ahn Jae-hyun. This couple, who met on the set of Blood, seemed like the perfect match. Their public displays of affection and sweet social media posts won over fans. However, their marriage ended in a highly publicized divorce, with both parties airing grievances online. Gu Hye-sun accused Ahn Jae-hyun of neglect and infidelity, while he claimed their relationship was toxic. The messy breakup left fans shocked, but both actors have since moved on. 4. Park Hae-jin and Nam Gyuri. The rumors circulated about their supposed marriage and divorce. Park Hae-jin and Nam Gyuri were never officially married. Their breakup as a dating couple attracted attention, particularly due to their chemistry on screen. Fans often blur the lines between fiction and reality, leading to misunderstandings about their relationship status. 5. Ji-sug and Lee Bo-young. This power couple frequently faces rumors of divorce despite their strong marriage. Ji-sug and Lee Bo-young met on the set of Save the Last Dance for Me and later married, becoming a favorite among fans. While media outlets occasionally report false splits, the couple continues to thrive together, raising two children. 6. Lee Min-jung and Lee Byung-hoo. Although not divorced, Lee Min-jung and Lee Byung-hoo have faced persistent rumors of separation. The couple's relationship was tested by public scandals involving Lee Byung-hoo. However, they have managed to stay together, emphasizing forgiveness and commitment. They remain one of Korea's most watched celebrity couples. 7. Yoo Kye-sang and Honey Lee. Yoo Kye-sang and Honey Lee were in a long-term relationship that lasted nearly 7 years, making them one of the most admired couples in the Korean entertainment industry. Fans were heartbroken when the couple announced their split in 2020. Despite their chemistry and mutual respect, they decided to part ways amicably. Honey Lee has since married and welcomed her first child, while Yoo Kye-sang remains focused on his acting career. Their story reminds us that even long-term relationships can evolve and change over time. 8. Rain and Kim Tae-hee. Rain and Kim Tae-hee are considered one of Korea's most beloved celebrity couples. Despite their strong marriage, they often face unfounded divorce rumors fueled by tabloids. Married since 2017, the couple has two children and is known for keeping their personal life private. Their ability to maintain a happy family life despite the intense scrutiny speaks volumes about their commitment to each other. 9. Shin Ha-kyu and Kim Go-yoon. Shin Ha-kyu and Kim Go-yoon's relationship was short-lived, yet it garnered significant attention due to their age difference and individual popularity. Although they were never married, their breakup left fans curious about the pressures of celebrity relationships. Kim Go-yoon has since continued to shine in her acting career, and Shin Ha-kyu remains a respected figure in the industry. Their story is a testament to how challenging it can be to maintain a relationship in the public eye. 10. Jung Suk-won and Baek Ji-young. Jung Suk-won and Baek Ji-young's relationship faced immense challenges, particularly due to Jung Suk-won's legal troubles. The couple married in 2013 and welcomed their first child in 2017. However, Jung Suk-won's scandal in 2018 tested their marriage. Despite the public backlash, Baek Ji-young stood by her husband, showcasing resilience and loyalty. While rumors of divorce circulated, the couple worked through their struggles and remained together. This was it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe for more updates.